Hello all, good morning everyone. So let's solve another SQL problem. So here they have given us the activity table. In the activity table, player ID, device ID, event date and games played by each of the player has been given. Player ID and event date is the primary key of this table. This table shows the activity of players of some games. Each row is a record. Each row is a record of a player who logged in and played a number of games before logging out on some day using some device. Write a solution to report the device that is first logged in for each player. Return the result table in any order. The result table is in following example. So this is the activity table. Now we have to identify the device ID of the first event date, right? So let me show player ID 1. Player ID 1 was played on 1st of March and its device ID is 2. So that should be our result set. Then player ID 2 is has only one event date. So automatically 3 will be the device ID of that, right? And then player ID 3. So its first event date is 2nd of March. So 1 is the device ID of player ID 3. So I have created the table and inserted the data into the same. Now here what we need to do, here we need to do either of the any rank function we have to use, whether rank or dense rank or row number, anyone we can use. So here we need to do partition by player ID. So partition by player ID because we want to find the each of the players first event date, right? So first event date means it is a minimum of event date, not the maximum of event date. So we need to do partition by player ID and then order by event date. And here we do not need to use descending because if we use descending, then it will give the maximum of event date. But our requirement is to have minimum of event date, right? So this will be give us minimum. This will give us the rank of each of the player ID with its event date based on the ascending order because by default it is ascending order. So 1, 2, then player ID 2 has only one event date. So it has given only one rank, right? And player ID 3 has two different event dates. So minimum of event date it has given one rank and second minimum or you can say that maximum of event date it has given second rank. Now our requirement is to RK equal to 1. So because of this RK is not a specific column is there in the our main table. So I have wrap up this code into the city and then outside city I have mentioned RK equal to 1 because we want only minimum of event date device ID, right? So now I will select the player ID and device ID from the main table. So these are the player ID and device ID of the minimum event date by each player. So thank you so much everyone. We will meet again in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.